ನನಗೆ ಎಸ್ ಡಿ ಜಾವ ಇದು ಹುಚ್ಚು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯಿಂದ.
ಓಕೆ
ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ MEB ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಬಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು.
ಓಕೆ
ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅದನ್ನು
Okay.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
ಓಕೆ
ಸೊ ನಾನು ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು ಒಂದು ಎಸ್ ಡಿ ಜಾವ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ.
ಓಕೆ ವೆರಿ
ಅದು
ಕ್ಯೂಟ್.
ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ರೋಡ್ ಕಿಂಗೇ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಆಸೆ ಇತ್ತು.
ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್.
ನಾನು ರೋಡ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡೆ.
ಓಕೆ
ರೋಡ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು 2008 ತೊಗೊಂಡೆ.
ಓಕೆ
ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಹಂಗೆ ಓಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೈಸೂರಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದೆ ಫುಲ್ಲು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಿನ್ ಟು ಪಿನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಏನು
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಓಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಲು ಅಂದರೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್,
ಗುಡ್.
ಮೇಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಸೂರ್.
ಎಸ್.
ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಲವ್ ಆಫ್ 2 strokes.
ಓಕೆ
I love 2 strokes and the sheer handling of a road king
ಯಾ
or any Java SD for example.
ಓಕೆ
ಆ ಗಾಡಿ ಓಡಿಸೋದು ಮಜಾನೇ ಬೇರೆ.
ಓಕೆ
ಅದರಿಂದನೇ ನಾನು ಎಸ್ ಡಿ ಜಾವ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಓನರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್ ಕಿಂಗ್.
ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
I love SDs and Javas because you will not find any other brand of motorcycles offering this level of ruggedness, reliability, endurance in any part of the world, at least built during the last century. So SDs in India are the most the memorable part of every household. So when you say I have a Java, it's a moment of prestige.
ಓಕೆ
So I trust the SD to take me anywhere, and the SD never fails that.
ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
I like a SD because my dad was owning a SDB model. I was bought up with the vehicle, so I like riding SD.
ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Myself Kaushik. Always wanted to be a two-stroker, and what a better way to be a two-stroker than to own a SD. And
Okay.
I'm completely in love with it. People call their bikes as your wife's, girlfriends and all. I call it my brother. In fact, I kept a name also.
Oh, what's
way
the
I
name?
bought it, Karna.
Karna. Okay.
Because it's always given me everything that it has.
Okay, that's great. Okay, thank you.
ಜಾವಾ ಎಸ್ ಡಿ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬೈಕು. ನನಗೆ ರೋಡ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅದು ಹೆಸರೇ ಸಾಕು, ರೋಡ್ ಕಿಂಗ್. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಡ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಮ್ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಒಂದು ಬೈಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಜನ ಮಾಡಿದ ಬೈಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಕರುನಾಡು ಬೈಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓಡುತ್ತೆ ಗಾಡಿ. ಯಾವ ಬೈಕರು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ಬೈಕ್ನವರು ಬೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ.
Okay.
ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಾಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೈಕು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತವೆ.
Okay.
ಆ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಬೈಕು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
I ride an SD Road King. So the passion towards this bike started with seeing a Corgi family riding this bike.
Okay.
So the Corgi family used to stay beside my place. I was a small kid, and that guy, his name was, I remember his name. His name was Achaya Bopanna.
Okay.
He used to have the same color of bike, and he used to pump the bike every morning, and he used to ride it with his wife. So I used to think that why this bike is having 2 silencers, or why this bike is not having a kicker. I never understood this. This bike has a kicker which has converts into a gear shift
Okay.
gear as well.
Okay. Okay.
So after that, I started looking for bikes, and finally, when I had my money, which I had hard-earned money, after that I bought my first bike, which is
Okay.
CL2.
Very nice. Very nice.
And after that, I did many of the rides. But the passion towards this bike has always been connected towards my heart. So that's one of the reason why I ride this
Okay.
bike.
Okay.
The sound of this bike connects very much to me.
Oh,
That's the
that's-
reason why I ride this bike.
Good. Good. Thank you, man.
The only reason I like a SD is because it's the most reliable two-stroke I've ever had in my life.
Okay.
I still continue to ride this bike and I'm still enjoying it. And now to the advantage, I'm with the Kings.
Okay.
They
Good.
take me around to all the places where no people have ever gone to.
Okay.
Probably this is one of the place. If you look at the background, you will come to know what is the place we are actually talking about.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Cheers to Kings.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, hi, I am Ganesh Nagaraja, and then my first instance of coming in touch with an SD was my friend's Kaushik's SD.
Okay.
And then I rode it, and then I was in love with it. And this is my first ever bike. So when I wanted to buy a two-wheeler, I looked at SD and rode my friend's bike, and then that was it.
Okay.
So
That
then
was
I
the
bought
moment.
it. Yeah, that was the moment. And then I bought this bike, and then yes, there have been good moments, hard moments, but then it's been good.
Okay. Thank you.
Like SDs and Java because I have a sentimental connection with the bikes. My father used to work for this, and by the look of the bike, you will get to know that this can take any kind of road.
Okay.
The statement itself says forever bike, forever value. If you even see the CZs whatever they used to make originally, it also says that best two strokes in the world.
Okay.
So that's the reason why I like. And also the sound is amazing. It's a head turner, and you can keep it for centuries.
Thank you.
Okay, there are many reasons I like Java and SD. So few reasons which I remember is, first thing, it has two silencers. Next, the sound.
Okay.
Next, the name.
Okay.
Next, the presence of the bike. I mean, and next thing is it's vintage. So that's why I like SD Java.
Okay, thank you.
Maybe it's because of the name. The name says it all, Road King. And this has been a very passionate experience for me because the way it rides, the way you feel about it, the way you can cruise down the highway, this is something I've ever dreamed of. So this is the perfect bike I've ever think of.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, you have a background music also.
Hi.
Hi.
I've been riding right from the mopeds all the way till these bikes
Okay.
from the age of 17. So I love SD and Javas because they are the best designed, reliable product.
Okay.
And I've been touring a lot on these bikes, and I found out that Road King from the Java family is the most well balanced
Okay.
and a reliable bike that I can really rely on.
Yeah, I agree.
And I love these bikes a lot.
Okay. Madam, please.
And it is very comfortable to ride. Being a pillion rider, I love to travel in this. So we have
Okay.
done many rides together, and I'm awesome. I feel awesome with it. I'm happy
Okay,
with
nice,
the performance of this
No,
bike.
because I have to tell you, it's very difficult to be a pillion rider and not ride a SD and just sit. I know that.
I have plans to shortly buy one and ride myself,
Oh,
making
nice,
him a
nice.
pillion rider.
No, I don't think so. You have to buy one. Your husband must be having many bikes.
Yeah,
I know that.
he's making it ready for me, so I'll get it soon.
Okay,
I'll
then
get it
thank
soon.
you guys.
Thank you.
Hi all.
Mm.
I've been riding SD Java since age of 14. My dad had it. He had the first Java from 68.
Okay.
And later on in 75 he bought the B model as well. And literally, we were going around even cities and touring on the SDs. During my college days I got my first Road King, my own, and I used to love the riding and handling of that bike.
Okay.
And in between, due to work circumstances, I was out of India. Now returned back, and I have quite a few of these bikes for myself, and
Okay. We know
I
that.
enjoy riding it, along with my wife.
Okay.
Recently, we did a 1,000-kilometer trip,
Okay, great.
between me and wife on a 1978 B model,
Okay.
covering a lot of places, coastal regions, and as well as
Good, good.
Coorg.
This is Vinay.
Okay.
I have been riding SD for the last 10 years.
Is it?
And
Oh.
the reason why I started liking SD is because my grandfather was a farmer. So every day in and day out, he used to carry a lot of,
Lot of things, luggage.
lot of things, and he used to carry milk and all those stuff.
Okay, okay, great.
So, and our village was like, the roads weren't all that good, and
Okay.
it was challenging for him to carry so much of weight. So the reason why I liked SD is because I thought it is very reliable and a very tough bike.
Yeah.
So that is what I love riding.
You have done Kargil or something like
Yeah,
that? Leh.
I've done a solo ride to Spiti Valley.
Oh, great, great.
Spiti Valley and Kardungra. I covered around 2,380 kilometers.
Oh, wow.
In a span of 13 days.
Okay.
And no matter what I do, when I'm on SD, I just love my life.
Okay. Okay, thank you, man.
Thank you.
It all started with my dad, thanks to his passion for Javas that I got addicted to it.
Okay.
And from the time I started riding them, I've never looked back. Happy to say that I have a good collection of 3 bikes now.
Oh, nice.
And I look forward to all the occasions that I can ride these bikes and cherish those memories.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay. See, back in 1967, I was first attracted to these bikes because of its sound, drumming sound.
Okay.
When I came to the bike, took a bike, started riding, I found the deadly combination of the sound, the performance, the handling, which is unparalleled those days.
Okay.
Okay. And I kept on going around with that. And slowly it becomes sort of an addiction to this bike. Till today, there may be better performer bikes in the market, much better. But still, I find the combination of the sound and the holding the
Handling.
performance and handling,
Yeah.
that combination still holds very good.
Okay. Okay, sir, thank you.
If
you ask me why I like SD Java bikes, because I have ridden a lot of bikes in my life up till now, and I find no other bike that connects to your heart the way SD Java does.